Excuse me, how many hours are you trying to get out?
It's 12 hours.
Good morning.
Good morning. Excuse me, how many hours are you stuck?
I've been here since 8:30 last night. I don't know. Just the snow, storm.
You have a shovel?
No, a shovel? Why? New York City always plows right away. Why should I need a shovel?
How many hours are you trying to get the car out?
Yeah, it's 8:30 already. Last night, 8:30.
Mayor Bloomberg always takes good care of us. We're plowed immediately. Really, I mean, ever since I saw that other video on YouTube, it's called New Yorkers Fed Up with the Snow, with Bloomberg, where there's too much damn snow on the floor. I saw that video. Since then, the streets have been spotless. Really, it's this guy. I've seen him before.
How many hours are you trying to get the car out?
I have a job. What I do is I keep cars warm overnight for people who need them in the morning. Hello? Is this 311? Yeah, I've been on hold since December 26th. I'm still trying to clear out from the snow over here. I'm in the Madison section of Brooklyn. Bloomberg will take care. Bloomberg will clean up the snow. This time the snow will be clean? Oh, okay, because I don't know. Again, December 27th, it's a long time to be in one place. You know, I'm getting a little hungry. Thank God I have the truck, so bathroom problem's not a problem. Okay. Thank you, 311. Thank you. Bye.
Sounds like a bad vacuum cleaner.
Much better. Much better.
Right now to the airports, of course, they're all trying to play catch-up. Delays of up to 5 hours being reported on arrivals and departures, and all three with
Flusher standing water that does form this afternoon could become icy again tonight. Two new storms loom on the horizon, but both of them are weak storms, Alberta Clipper-type storms that come in from the west and typically don't produce a lot of precipitation. So it can be some flurries or light snow tomorrow, a covering to at most an inch. Some flurries or a period of snow Saturday, a covering to maybe a couple of inches, and then mostly sunny for Sunday with a high near 30. Mostly cloudy now, 32 degrees, humidity 74%, wind is calm. Again, 32 now, going up to 37 in the